Welcome to Vehicle Review World, your trusted source for all things automotive. In today's video, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Lamborghini Mosquito, a car that redefines the hypercar experience with cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and unparalleled style. The Lamborghini Mosquito takes futuristic design to the next level. Its aerodynamic body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring both agility and strength. The sharp contours and bold angles give it a commanding presence, while the front features striking LED headlights that enhance its aggressive look. The active rear spoiler and re-engineered diffuser optimize airflow for maximum speed and stability. This car is more than a visual masterpiece, it's engineered for performance. Beneath its striking exterior lies a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with state-of-the-art electric motors. This setup produces a staggering 1,200 horsepower, enabling the Mosquito to achieve blistering speeds. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.3 seconds and reaches a top speed of over 240 miles per hour. The advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension ensure precision handling and exceptional control at any speed. The interior of the Mosquito is just as impressive. Lamborghini has created a luxurious yet functional cabin that blends premium materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber. The driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment display with seamless connectivity. Advanced AI systems offer personalized driving experiences, from adjusting seat settings to selecting the perfect driving mode. Customizable ambient lighting, ergonomic seats, and intuitive controls create an environment that feels both futuristic and comfortable. Lamborghini has also prioritized safety and convenience. The Mosquito is equipped with cutting-edge driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning systems. The 360-degree camera and advanced parking assist make navigating tight spaces remarkably simple, a rare feat for a hypercar. The 2025 Mosquito incorporates sustainability into its DNA. With an electric-only driving mode and regenerative braking, it allows for eco-friendly city driving without compromising performance. These features reflect Lamborghini's commitment to a greener future while maintaining their legacy of high-performance vehicles. Pricing places the Mosquito firmly in the luxury hypercar category, making it a coveted gem for collectors and enthusiasts. With its groundbreaking technology, exquisite design, and record-breaking performance, the Lamborghini Mosquito is a true testament to the brand's innovative spirit and craftsmanship. Thank you for tuning into Vehicle Review World, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive industry. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss our in-depth reviews and updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.